Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am sharing with you a collaboration with ZRYEN.com, and I will leave all of the links down below to the bags that I received from them. I chose 3 linen tote bags from their website, and I have to tell you, they are gorgeous. The one thing that really surprised me and I was really impressed with, beyond the adorable pattern, is the fact that the pattern is on both the front and the back, which is pretty rare. Whenever I've had linen cloth bags in the past, they haven't been printed on both sides. So that was a really nice surprise. And I wanted to show you the perfect size of these bags. All of you know that I'm a big scrapbooker, and I like to take projects to a variety of different places to work at a friend's house or at a retreat. And look at this. These bags fit my kits perfectly. So this is a fantastic way for me to be able to transport some of my craft products to and from different crops and stuff, and to do it in style. These bags actually will hold up to 25 kilograms each, so I can put quite a few heavy-duty kits in here, and they'll support the weight. You can see they're really well made. So this is the adorable fox pattern. This was maybe my favorite design. I'm going to show you one that I purchased for a gift. And actually, the one thing that I will say about this website, there were bags literally for every person in my life. My brother, who drives a motorcycle, they have Sturgis bags with motorcycles on them. My dad, who loves antique classic cars, they had classic car bags. My neighbor, who loves her dogs, they had dogs that looked like her dogs. It was unbelievable how many different people I could have chosen gifts for, and who can't use an extra bag? They're perfect just like to throw in your purse or your car, and then you have them when you're going shopping. This one I got for my cousin. This one had such a special meaning. It says, "I believe there are angels among us." And she truly believes every time she sees a dragonfly, ever since her mom passed away, she feels like it's her mom coming by to say hello. And when I saw this design and this message on the bag, I knew I had to get it for her. So next time we go out to her camp, we are going to bring this bag. And like I said, bags are something that literally everyone can use. So it was so perfect. The third bag is for my daughter, and I'm going to put a clip in here where she unboxed it to see her reaction to this bag. What do you think of that bag?
There's wolves in it.
Yeah.
I can put wolves in it.
So one of my daughter's favorite animals is a wolf. And when I saw the number of choices for wolf bags, it was hard to decide which one to get her. How do you like the one that I picked for you?
Good.
What would you name the wolves that are on the outside of the bag?
That one is Moon, and that one is Ika.
Very nice. So Moon and Ika can help carry your things with you in places. How many times this week have you said, "I need a bag for stuff," when you're going out the door?
Lots.
Right? So when I knew this was coming, I was thinking, well, pretty soon you'll have a little bag to tuck all your stuff in. I mean, you always have your backpack by the door for your school supplies, and it's nice to have a bag that's sitting there, so when you're going out to a different place, Yeah, you can put stuff like your blanket, or your hat, your mitts, your water bottle, just something quick to tuck some things in. Okay, come and show everybody what you put inside your bag.
Book.
That's nice.
And this book. And book with the chain that Mommy made for me. And the thing that Mommy decorated for me. And my pencil. And blankie. And Cupid.
Perfect. So you've got a wolf in your wolf bag and some of the little things that you would bring if you were going to go to Grandma's house and you wanted to have your notebook and your pencil and your blankie and a toy. All you need in there is your water bottle and you'd be ready to go. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to show you a closer up view of all these different bags and tell you what I think about them. And now I'll show you a close-up of what the bag looks like. My daughter loves wolves. And look at the pattern on this. It's just stunning. And she was so excited. And it actually is something that she truly needed. I can't tell you how many times we've gone out of the house lately and she's got bags for very specific activities. But when she's just going to visit at someone's house or play somewhere, to be able to grab a bag to throw in some of the things that she needs, this is exactly what we need to have hanging by the door. It's super lightweight. It's easy to tuck things in. There's no zippers or anything to get all involved with. It's just really simple. Just grab and go. And she has really gotten great use out of it. And I will put a picture of her the very next day that she unboxed this. She took it to camp and she brought all of her stuff that she would bring with her to her grandparents. And here's a picture of my family going out to camp. This was not prompted. My daughter took this bag to camp on her own. I was at work when they went on this little excursion. So that was really great. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you are interested in any of these products, I will leave links down below so that you can see. I'm glad I was able to share the quality of the bags with you. If I had realized this company existed before Christmas, I 100% would have purchased these for gifts because, like I said, I have hard to find gifts on my list for people like parents and stuff who have everything, and the designs are so perfect for them that I would have got these bags if I could have got them in time for Christmas. So thank you so much for watching. Check out all their cute designs. It was so hard to only pick 3. They had some stunning creations on their site. There's something for everyone on the site. I can't say enough good things about them. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.